Hello everyone, in this video we will see Veeva Vault tutorial. Veeva Vault is a cloud-based content management platform mainly used in industries like life sciences, where companies need to manage documents, data, and processes securely. It helps teams store, track, review, and approve everything from clinical trial documents to marketing materials all in one place. To get started with Veeva Vault, first log in using your organization's login details. Once inside, you'll see different tabs or sections depending on your role, for example, documents, library, workflow, or reports. These sections help you manage everything you're allowed to access based on your user permissions. If you want to upload a document, go to the Library or Documents tab and click Create or Upload. You'll choose the document type, fill in required fields like title, product, or study name, and then attach the file. Once uploaded, the document goes through a set workflow, like review, approval, or publishing, depending on your company's setup. For collaboration, Veeva Vault lets you assign tasks, add comments, and track versions. When a document is reviewed or approved, it's automatically logged to make sure the final version is accurate and secure. There are also dashboards and reports where you can track things like document status, overdue tasks, or user activity. Overall, Veeva Vault is designed to keep everything organized and compliant with industry standards. The interface may take a little time to get used to, but once you're familiar with it, it becomes a powerful tool for managing regulated content and processes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.